Ever found yourself needing to send some cash to a friend, but you're stuck between two apps? On one hand, there's Venmo, the social payment platform known for its quirky memes and split bill features. On the other hand, PayPal, the veteran of the online transaction world, trusted by millions for secure and fast payments. But what happens when your friend uses Venmo and you only have PayPal, or vice versa? Can you somehow bridge the gap between these two payment giants? Cut to energetic host. Hey everyone, your name, here. Today, we're tackling a question that stumped many of us. Can you directly transfer money from Venmo to PayPal? Spoiler alert, it's not as straightforward as sending a text. But fear not, there are ways to get those funds flowing, even if it takes a little extra effort. Cut to screen with title, The Roadblock: Why Direct Transfers Aren't Possible. So, why can't you just zap money between Venmo and PayPal with a single tap? Well, it boils down to how these platforms operate. Venmo functions within a closed-loop system. Think of it like a private party. Only people with Venmo accounts can participate in the money exchange. PayPal, on the other hand, operates more like a bustling marketplace. It connects to various bank accounts, credit cards, and even other online wallets, allowing for a wider range of transactions. The key difference here is that Venmo primarily focuses on peer-to-peer payments within its own network, while PayPal acts as a more versatile middleman for various financial transactions. Cut back to host. Alright, so direct transfers are out. But don't worry, we have some workarounds. Let's explore a few options depending on your situation. Cut to screen with title, Option 1, transfer to your bank account, then to PayPal. This is the most common approach. Here's how it works. Cash out from Venmo, open your Venmo app and navigate to the Transfer Money section. Choose to your bank and select the linked bank account where you want to receive the funds. Wait for the transfer. Depending on your bank, it might take 1 to 3 business days for the money to show up in your account. Transfer to PayPal. Once the funds hit your bank, log into your PayPal account. Choose Transfer Money and select from your bank account. Link the same bank account you used for Venmo and initiate the transfer to your PayPal balance. Pros: this method works for almost everyone and is relatively secure. Cons: it can be a bit slow, especially with the wait time for the Venmo transfer to your bank. There might also be fees involved depending on your bank's policies and Venmo transfer limits. Cut back to host. Hold up a debit card. Now, what if you don't want to wait for bank transfers? Here's another way, but it requires a little extra plastic. Cut to screen with title, Option 2, use a debit card linked to both Venmo and PayPal. This option works if you have a debit card linked to both your Venmo and PayPal accounts. Here's the process. Add funds to Venmo with your debit card. In the Venmo app, go to Manage Balance and choose Add Money. Select your linked debit card and enter the amount you want to transfer. Use Venmo Balance to pay yourself. Once the funds are in your Venmo account, you can use them to pay yourself. Choose Transfer Money and instead of selecting to your bank, choose a contact, which can be yourself with a different email address. This essentially moves the money from your Venmo account to your PayPal account, linked through the same debit card. Transfer to PayPal balance, optional if you prefer to have the funds readily available in your PayPal balance. You can initiate a transfer from your Venmo balance to your bank account, as mentioned in Option 1, and then repeat the process to transfer from your bank to PayPal. Pros: faster than bank transfers, especially if your debit card allows instant transfers. Cons: there might be fees associated with adding funds to Venmo using a debit card. Also, be mindful of your daily spending limits on your debit card. Cut back to host. Hold up a smartphone with a friend on the screen. Alright, those were 2 ways to get money from Venmo to PayPal if you have some.